welcome to my vlog. My name is Kyla, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And guess what, guys? We're going to Miami. I'm going to the Yams tomorrow, tonight. My flight leave at 5 a.m. So, we outside. And I'm going to bring y'all with me. Right now, I just came to Family Dollar. I'm about to, get me and my boyfriend some hygiene stuff. Soap, toothpaste, deodorant, all the stuff that you need. Travel size, whatever. I just got my hair done. It's okay. I ain't had my hair done in so fucking long. I gotta get used to it. Hello. All right, I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff that I end up getting from Family Dollar. Just like our hygiene stuff. My boyfriend Ben told me to pack, but I don't like to pack early because that makes me anxious. So, and I'm gonna keep going in the bag, checking my stuff. Just doing too much. So, I got us these travel size. I ain't do my nails yet, y'all. I'm about to do them after I pack. These travel size Dial soaps. They ain't have Dove, and I got a Sephora Dove soap. I have some hold-in spray for my hair. I don't know. I'm gonna try this out. Some deodorant, some toothpaste, some deodorant for my boo. I got another big toothpaste also, some toothbrushes for us, some feminine wipes for me because it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna be wearing swimsuits and shit. Like, I want to stay fresh. It's my man's birthday. You never know when shit could pop up. You know what I'm saying? And I got more soap, y'all. I was just grabbing some hand soap, but this is for the house. And I got me a wine because I'm about to drink this wine while I pack. Turn on some music or something. Get the vibes going. I got to go through this drawer and find all my makeup and stuff. I want to show y'all some of the outfits also that I'm going to be wearing. I ain't going to show everything because y'all going to see anyways from vlogging. So I got this. We going ATV riding. So he bought me this Nike set. It's so cute. Purple, and he got a Nike set also. I forgot. I think it's black. And I'm going to wear my Aces with that, like during the day. We don't go ATV around till 6, and then I'm gonna wear some old Vapor Max that I got that I don't care about. So y'all, this is one of the outfits. Well, it's like a swimsuit outfit, but it's cute. This is all I'm showing because I like to pack y'all. I gotta get this show on the road. So this is that one little opening skirt thing. So cute. With this cute ass swimsuit. Like, these colors on my skin gonna pop. And I got some sandals in the basket purse to go with it. Y'all gonna see when I put that shit on. Like, for real. So let me start packing, y'all, and I'll be right back. But me, my man's birthday, y'all. Y'all, we finally made it to our hotel. It's so nice. I don't feel like getting up. I'm sitting down. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm ready to get in this room. For real, because I'm bugging. Your art room is so nice. We got a balcony. It smells like food. Yeah. We about to get dressed. Head the fuck. I'm about to start getting dressed. First I said I was going to sleep. Now I want to get dressed.
Right, Captain and you ain't about to go to sleep, girl. Press that button.
Stop. Well, so we is over here. It's hot as no, it's not, but it's real hot. And we about to go to Bacon Beach and eat and chill and stuff. I don't have nothing to talk to you all about. I'm on vacation, baby. Good. I'm filming. I got this drink with this lushy shit in there. But I'm still a little drink. $20,000 on some child support. I've seen this shit. I went to school and had to the beach. But this water looks so good. I cannot wait to get in. It's hot as hell. Oh, we gotta get the chairs from down there. Oh, it's some right there too. Which way you wanna go, babe? Look at this water. Toads in the sand. I don't know, somewhere over there where everybody else got these chairs. Yo, we about to get a beach chair. We are busy. Oh, this recording. Get up there down, Julio. Well, I just got dressed again. We about to get some food. I just got out the pool, the shower. I messed up my hair so bad, but I fixed it back so good. I'm about to take a picture and then get motherfucking high. No, I'm just playing. Y'all, I keep forgetting to vlog. But I'm in the car. About to go to this little hookah spot. Carnival Cruise. That's where I want to go next. There's people up there and stuff. They probably having a big ass party right now. Well, so I ended up coming to this little hookah spot. It's real cute in here too. Real cute. They just need some good music, man. They will be fire. You don't want to be in there? show y'all my outfit. Cheers, babe. To your birthday. Babe, you can hit the hookah though. This is like hitting them out. Yo, I'll keep. We is about to get on our boat. Or yeah, I'm cool. We about to do it. No. We about to get on. I'm about to say this because I can smoke on the boat. We about to smoke on the boat too. I was about to say, but let me in it this night. Y'all, so we about to get on our little yacht thing, about to get drunk, listen to some music. And I'm irritated, y'all, because my man did not grab the motherfucking Red Bull for me, knowing I don't drink shit straight. I'm about to be drunk as fuck, drinking that nasty ass shit straight. Well, yeah. But I'm having fun. My camera, please. Good morning, y'all. I'm so tired from last night. We didn't get in till like 3 or 4.
Like 4:30.
I'm so tired. But we got a speedboat today because somebody went to book that out of nowhere. So we about to go to the speedboat and ATVs today. But I gotta take like a 30-minute nap first. And then I'm about to get up and get dressed. Yeah. Hey, y'all. We about to get on the speedboat. Little thing. It's so hot. I would never make a mistake and get no weave to go out of town. Like, it's strictly braids, period. Unless it's your birthday or something. It'd be too motherfucking hot for that.
Here goes nothing.
Oh my God. Hey, babe. forgetting the vlog, y'all, so don't mind me. I'm eating some Chipotle that I had from yesterday. Chipotle be so good in Miami. I think it's because everybody Mexican for real. They know how to do it right. But I'm chilling today. I leave tonight. So, we ain't doing shit for real. Finishing our bottle. We still ain't drink all that fucking liquor. But we about to. Ain't that right, babe? I want to ask him, do he go to the other airport? What is it called? Hollywood International?
Or Notre Dame. You don't go there, babe.
Well, he don't. You're right, baby. They don't hurt to ask. What you doing? I miss my baby, and I know he miss me. Y'all ain't in Chipotle with y'all. I mean, the real with your Chipotle. Yeah, what you doing? Okay.
Large, right?
Yeah, large.
That's fine.
Yeah. Drawing my hands. We came to Dolphin Mall just to look around and grab some few things. Okay, we gotta find a cash out up there. I just love Miami trees, like they be so cute. Yo, why our flight just get delayed? Only by like a half an hour though. So we'll be alright. But I'm about to get ready to end this vlog, y'all. I'm about to go home tonight. Get my baby, get back to work and school. I will be back with a new vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog. The next thing that I really have coming up is state board, graduation, and stuff like that. So I will be vlogging for that. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.